What's going on, everybody? It's Jay Wilson, and I'm probably overly excited because I'm setting up a 6-foot tank for the first time, well, in a few years. And there's just something about setting up a footprint of 72 inches, that's what she said, and it is amazing. But what I'd like to do is a special thanks to Universal Rocks and Caribsea for the amazing rocks and for the amazing substrate. Now, while they don't provide me any money, sending the product was an amazing gesture, and I greatly appreciate that. As everyone knows, I've been using these products for years. Matter of fact, there's not another substrate in this home in terms of sand, gravel, and shells from anybody other than Caribsea. And if I do put backgrounds in my aquarium, you get it. It's Universal Rocks. But today, we put in the rocks and the sand. We had to customize the rocks, and we had to clean the sand. So, you're about to witness how I get down when it comes to setting up an aquarium with Universal Rocks custom backgrounds and Caribsea substrate. Do me a favor, hit the like button, share this video, and leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite substrate is and where do you get it. All right, let's check out how this thing goes down. Well, that was a completely different approach to any other video that I think I've ever done in terms of showing you how to do something. I think what happens is when we show how to do something and we say exactly what we do and we type in text what we do, there's a lot of confusion, or I should have did it this way, or I wanted to do it this way, or you should have done it this way. So we changed things up a little bit. We just showed you. We didn't talk about it. We didn't write text on the screen about it. We just showed you the step-by-step process that we took to install the custom rocks from Universal Rocks and the substrate from caribsea. Now keep in mind, I used less than 70 pounds of total substrate in a 72 by 22 aquarium. So just remember, you don't need a ton of substrate, but if you add the right amount, it looks amazing. So let me know, did you like the change? Did you like the way we did the videos? Because sometimes we need to evolve and sometimes we need to make changes. Which leads me to this. You gotta make a change. If something's not working right, or you're feeling too sluggish or tired, or things aren't going exactly the way you had hoped or planned, you have to make a change. Not the person to the left of you, not the person to the right of you, or not the person that you were just messaging prior to watching this video. It is you that has to make the change. You either get up earlier, you go to bed earlier, you change your diet, you change the route to school or work, you change your job, you change your career, and I can continue going. But in order to change what you are doing, it has to come from within here with a calculated move up here. But the change could be exactly what you needed to get to where you wanted to go. Yeah, I said it. I've dealt with it, and I know that you're dealing with it. So instead of complaining about it, use the other C word, change. I know it's scary and uncomfortable, but sometimes you've got to be comfortable in the uncomfortable. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. I appreciate all the things you do to keep this channel relevant, or just with a singular view from you. I'm excited about this aquarium, and I hope you are too, because it is going to be, hands down, one of the best aquariums that we've ever set up on this channel, ever. You know what's next. Holla!